Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to organize an Excel spreadsheet. So what you're going to do is go to the template that she gave us online, and first we're just going to go ahead and organize all the information alphabetically. So what you do is select the names and all the data that pertains to them, highlight all of the students, go to sort and filter up at the top right hand corner and click sort A to Z. As you can see, that has organized the last names alphabetically. And then after that, we're going to go into the averages. So when you do an average, you have to type in a formula. To get the formula for an average, you just type in the sum. And then you go to each person and select all the information, or excuse me, you have to do the sum and you have to type a parenthesis. After the parenthesis, you go to each student and select all the information that pertains to them. And at the end of that, do a close parenthesis. Since this is an average, we have to divide it by 200, and I get 200 because I'm going up here to the total points, and all these numbers up here add up to 200. Once you're done with that, instead of individually doing each student, that formula that you typed in can actually be students by just dragging down that information. And if you want, you can even put it in percentage form, decimal form, any way you want it. I'm going to leave it in percentage form. And so we're going to do another average over here. So again, we have to do the sum, open parentheses, drag information, close parentheses, and then you are only going to type in 1, 2, 3, 4, 500, and you're going to divide it by 500 because there's no one has points in this column right here. So you do 500. Same thing, that information can be applied to every student just by dragging it down like so. So for the points, this one we are going to do the sum again, open parentheses, and this time you have to add the sum of all these points and the sum of all these points. So you go over here first, drag the information. Once you have those cells, you do close parentheses, and then you do plus sum, open parentheses, and you'll do these points. We'll do these points. And we'll do close parentheses. And these points are actually 700 points, not 250. We do that, and again, for each cell, you just drag down, and that same formula will be applied to all. And so for the GPA, what you do is you just do the sum again. And this time you're just going to add these two cells. Oops, I didn't do the open parentheses. Have to always remember that. And you'll just do these two cells, close parentheses, and since we're dividing it by all the points, you'll do divide by 700. And again, you just drag all that down. And then we're going to come over here and do the class average. Same thing. You do the formula, open parentheses, and you're going to drag down. And since there's 10 people in the class, we're going to go ahead and divide it by 10. And we will drag that along the rest of these to calculate the class average for all of these items. There you go. So after this, if you want, you can add a border to the whole thing. You'll just go up here, click this button, do all borders. It kind of outlines it for you. And then you can also change the columns colors if you want. You can go over here and actually change it to any color that you want. As you can see, the column is changing colors. And then you can also add charts for specific information. Like I can highlight all of this, and I can go to insert. Here's all my charts that I can choose from. If I wanted to do a bar chart, I could do this, and there I go. I have all the information for it. Put this right here. And then also, if I wanted to do an auto filter, I just select all the information again. Oh, don't want to do that. And just select all the information like this. And then you go up to sort and filter again, and this button right here will auto filter it for you. And then also you can insert a header and a footer. Which is right here. Sorry, couldn't find it for a minute. I'm just going to go ahead and type in my name in the class. And that is how you organize an Excel spreadsheet.